Singer Easy Repair. It is important that you take safety precautions when following what we instruct on Easy Repair. Therefore, one or more of these icons will be displayed on screen as an indication of when and where you need to be the most precautious. Today on Easy Repair, we will find out how to remove a transport bracket when you bring home a brand new Singer washing machine. Your washing machine comes in a protective packaging like this. Before we begin, let's keep the machine in an appropriate place and remove the packaging one by one. As you open the box, first thing you will see is the rat guard. We need to fix it onto the washing machine later, so let's keep it aside for now and unpack. Now open the cover of the washing machine and keep the parts packed in the container aside for later use. This is the water inlet hose. This too needs to be fixed later, so let's keep it aside. Next come the two screws for the rat guard. This is the instruction manual on how to remove the transport bracket. The Singer warranty card. This is the user's manual for the washing machine. As we said before, all of these will be needed later on. Keep them aside for now. Now turn the machine around like this and very carefully lay it on the ground lengthwise like this. Remove the back cover. Now what you see here is the transport bracket. It's screwed into the washing machine with 4 nails. You can use an 8mm wrench or a cross-tipped screwdriver to gently remove them and take off the transport bracket. Can you see the empty nail sockets? Put in the nails and screw them in tight. The next step is to fix the rat guard. Let's find out how to accurately attach the rat guard in the next Easy Repair video.